So what exactly are you going to learn in this masterclass? In the first part of this course, we'll talk about the definition and overall structure of sales funnels. We'll cover the 5-step sales funnel structure and later on the XOTF model. In the second part of this course, we'll learn step by step how to create a buyer persona. We'll have a look at 6 different types of analysis and we'll learn about a people-driven data analysis approach. Afterwards, we'll cover the XOTF model, which divides every sales funnel into 3 parts: the TOTF, MOTF, BOTF. The TOTF standing for top of the funnel, MOTF for middle of the funnel, and BOTF for bottom of the funnel. In this regard, we'll additionally cover dozens of marketing strategies that you will learn to apply right away on your first funnel. As soon as we learned about the XOTF model, we'll cover more than 20 highly converting sales funnels. We'll draw them out together and you'll be able to download the funnel plan for each of the 20+ funnels we create in this part of the course. We'll step by step draw out the success funnels of Amazon and Crazy Egg. We'll cover email marketing via MailChimp and much more. You will learn how to create Facebook ads based funnel, email marketing based funnel, webinar based funnels and much more.